Have you ever pondered upon the fate of the mighty dinosaurs that once ruled this planet? They were a force to be reckoned with, the undisputed lords of the Earth for over 160 million years. Just to give you a sense of scale, humans have been around for a mere 200,000 years. Yes, in comparison, we're just a blip on the timeline of Earth's history. The era of dinosaurs, known as the Mesozoic era, was a time of colossal beasts and lush, diverse ecosystems. These magnificent creatures ranged from the towering Brachiosaurus that grazed on the treetops to the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, the apex predator of its time. But then, seemingly out of nowhere, they vanished. Their sudden disappearance has puzzled scientists for centuries, leading to numerous theories. Among these, the impact event theory is the most widely accepted. This theory suggests that an enormous asteroid or comet, about 6 to 9 miles wide, crashed into Earth some 66 million years ago. The evidence supporting this theory is compelling. The most convincing is the existence of the Chicxulub crater, a massive depression off the coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. This gigantic scar on the Earth's crust is over 100 miles in diameter and 12 miles deep, a fitting size for a celestial body of such destructive power. Moreover, scientists have discovered a global layer of iridium-rich dust, dated back to the same period. Now, iridium is quite rare on Earth's surface but is abundant in asteroids and comets. This global iridium anomaly, as it's called, is a strong indication of an extraterrestrial impact. And what an impact it was. The collision would have released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, triggering wildfires, tsunamis, and a devastating nuclear winter effect. This would have led to a dramatic drop in global temperatures, disrupting the food chain and leading to the extinction of the dinosaurs. And just like that, the reign of the dinosaurs came to an abrupt end, paving the way for the rise of mammals, and eventually, US humans. In the aftermath of the dinosaurs' demise, a new species emerged, destined to rule the Earth, us, humans. Our journey began around 7 million years ago, with the evolution of the first hominids. These were our earliest ancestors, who bore some resemblance to us, but were far from the sophisticated beings we are today. They lived in the forests of Africa, spending much of their time in trees, far from the realm of the dinosaurs. Over time, these hominids began to change. They evolved to walk on 2 legs, freeing up their hands for other tasks. This bipedalism marked the beginning of a long journey towards becoming Homo sapiens, and it was a significant step. It allowed our ancestors to see over tall grasses, carry food and tools, and cover greater distances. As millions of years passed, our ancestors began to develop tools. These ranged from simple stone implements to complex devices made from bone and wood. The development of tools was a major milestone in our evolution, as it allowed us to manipulate our environment in unprecedented ways, leading to our survival in a variety of habitats. Then came the mastery of fire. This was a game changer. Fire provided warmth, protection from predators, and a means to cook food, making it safer to eat and easier to digest. It also became a focal point for social interaction, leading to the development of complex social structures. The advent of agriculture around 10,000 years ago marked the dawn of civilization. For the first time, humans began to settle in one place, cultivating crops and rearing animals. This led to the development of settlements, the birth of technology, and the inception of complex societies. Our evolution has been a story of survival, adaptation, and innovation. We've gone from tree-dwelling primates to tool-using hunter-gatherers, from cave-dwelling Neanderthals to sophisticated Homo sapiens, capable of creating and manipulating our environment. From mere survivors, we evolved into the dominant species on this planet, much like the dinosaurs before us. Now we find ourselves in the Anthropocene Epoch, a time period defined by human activity being the dominant influence on climate and the environment. Our journey through time brings us to our current epoch, the Anthropocene, a term that signifies the measurable impact of human activity on Earth's ecosystems. The Anthropocene is unique in Earth's history, as it marks the first time a single species, us, has had such a profound and far-reaching influence on the planet. The human imprint on our world is undeniable. From the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, our activities have left a mark. As we've grown and expanded, we've cleared vast swaths of forests, reducing the Earth's lungs and disrupting the habitats of countless species. Deforestation is not just about the loss of trees, it's about the loss of an intricate web of life that took millions of years to evolve. Then there's pollution. Our industries belch out smoke and chemicals, tainting the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the soil that feeds us. Plastic, a human invention, now litters the most remote corners of our planet. This contamination is not only harming us, but also the countless other species with which we share this world. And let's not forget about climate change. Our relentless burning of fossil fuels has sent greenhouse gases soaring, trapping heat and driving up global temperatures. The consequences are all too evident: melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and more frequent and severe weather events. This destabilization of ecosystems is resulting in a disheartening loss of biodiversity. Species are disappearing at a rate not seen since the end of the dinosaurs. The difference is, this time, it's not a meteor or volcanic activity to blame. It's us. Our actions are reshaping the planet, but at what cost? As we continue to alter the world around us, we must ask ourselves, are we writing a new chapter in Earth's history, or are we penning its final lines? The answer to that question may very well define our future. We must remember, the Earth does not belong to us. We belong to the Earth. Our actions are reshaping the planet, but at what cost? Could we, the mighty humans, face a fate similar to the dinosaurs? It's a question that has undoubtedly crossed many minds. As the dominant species on Earth, we've accomplished many triumphs. Yet, we're not immune to the same threats that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Let's begin with nuclear war, a man-made threat that could wipe out a significant portion of the population and cause unimaginable destruction. The detonation of nuclear weapons could lead to a nuclear winter, a period of severe global cooling caused by the release of soot into the Earth's atmosphere. This scenario is eerily similar to the asteroid impact that induced a global winter, leading to the extinction of dinosaurs. Next, consider pandemics. In the past century alone, we've seen the Spanish flu, HIV/AIDS, and most recently, COVID-19. These global health crises have shown us how vulnerable we are to infectious diseases. A pandemic on a larger scale could potentially wipe out a significant portion of the human population, much like the diseases that ravaged dinosaur populations. Lastly, we mustn't forget the threat from above: asteroid impacts. While the chances of a large asteroid hitting Earth are slim, it's still a possibility. The dinosaurs' reign ended with the impact of a massive asteroid, and a similar event could cause catastrophic damage to human civilization. Despite these threats, there's a crucial difference between us and the dinosaurs. We can foresee and potentially mitigate these risks. We've developed technologies to detect and deflect asteroids. We've built institutions to prevent nuclear war and manage pandemics. Unlike the dinosaurs, we have the knowledge and the tools to change our fate. Therefore, while the threats are real and the comparisons to the dinosaurs' demise are unnerving, it's essential to remember that we have the capacity to shape our future. In the end, the fate of our species lies in our hands. We started with a question about the fate of the dinosaurs and whether we could face a similar fate. We journeyed back in time, exploring the mysterious end of dinosaurs and the rise of humans. We delved into the Anthropocene Epoch, a period marked by significant human impact on Earth's ecosystems. We proposed a chilling question: are we, the dominant species of our time, heading towards a similar end as the dinosaurs? The answer, it seems, is largely up to us. Our actions today have profound implications for our future. The Anthropocene Epoch, defined by human-driven changes, presents us with a unique opportunity. We can either continue on a path that risks our existence, or we can choose to make sustainable decisions that ensure the longevity of our species. The fate of the dinosaurs serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life. Let us learn from their story and strive to make better choices for our planet and future generations.